Hey everyone, welcome back to Live, Love, Learn with me, Arya. In this video, let's see how to make water candles. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and we'll get into the video. You can take any random chips packet and cut it into small square or circular shapes. Make a small hole at the center so that the candle wick fits in it. Now take candle wicks or the ones we use for puja or cotton and fit them inside these ones. Few of them are ready with me. Take an empty glass bowl, add pebbles or flowers or anything that you wanna decorate it with. Fill it with water. Now add some oil to it. You can use coconut oil or any other regular oils. Make sure the oil is at one place. If you want to make this water candle a scented one, then add few drops of essential oil to it so that it gives a nice fragrance. Now place the wick on top of oil. And it is ready! I'm adding some acer liquid for fragrance. I'm taking an accessory of mine and placing it inside the glass as a decorative item. And I placed a flower too. You can use food color or water paints for coloring. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified of my new videos. You can follow me on Instagram and share your water candle pics with me. I'll give the link of my profile in the description box below. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Catch me on another episode. Until then, stay home and stay safe.